hit that wheel.
Yeah, and it should say
hide plate.
Hide plate, yep. You're doing the little
I know, I saw that.
breadcrumbs is what they call that now on ForeFlight.
Uh-huh.
Here, about here is the little house on the prairie. Can you tell if you do the user waypoints?
Just outside the
okay.
glide path circle.
Okay. All right, so down here somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay. Independence traffic, Skylane 80 Papa Echo, departing on 17 Independence. Perfect, so we can fly that direction. We'll fly over it.
Yeah. Be able to tell you on the phone.
Yeah. Well, if you can actually point to the spot on that, that would help. All right, runway 17. Wheels on the floor. And then everything's good. Instrument screen. Their speed's alive. Rotate. Positive rate, flaps up. Independence traffic, Skylane 80 Papa Echo departing the area to the west, Independence. Where is it about here?
It's right over here.
All right, so we're kind of heading that direction then.
Yeah, we are. Go directly west now. It should be out my window.
All right. That it right down there?
Be flying almost directly. We're right over it. Directly over it.
You want me to do a 360 or?
Yeah, do a 360.
Get it?
Yeah, I'll get it just as soon as the wheel pant's clear.
Nope.
Boy, it's close.
Yeah, I know it.
And easier if it had been on here, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that way I can kind of see it and kind of line it up. All right, altimeter arm, 4500, vertical speed mode. Be coming up to 4500.
You're already on heading mode, right?
Yeah, I just got on heading. I'll put it on nav when we kind of get going that way. Better. Because the nav doesn't arm if it's got a line to you kind of cross it. So you hit heading mode to intercept.
Oh, okay.
And now nav mode is armed and active. All right. .500 feet to go. A couple hundred feet, that should start slowing down our vertical speed.
If I get slowed down a little bit.
All right, lean, monitor assist. Switch to left tank for a little bit. All right, we're right at 4950 Richard Peak, so we're looking good there. Switch over to Parr's AWOS. $34,025, that's right. Hey, let's get the
Jabara, traffic start 5221, echo departing to the northeast, Jabara.
Keep an eye on this guy right here.
Okay.
Wichita, Colonel James Jabara Airport. Automated weather observation. 0016 Zulu. Wind 140 at 08. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 20 Celsius. Dew point 10 Celsius. Altimeter 2988. Remarks. Density altitude 2,400.
All right, he's turning off.
Yeah.
All right, wind's 140 at 8. So it's going to be about 6 to 7 knot crosswind. 30 degrees would be half, so it's a little more than that. Well, hello everybody. We just took off from Independence, heading back to Jabara. We're going to try a practice approach on the 18 ILS. Had a pretty good day. Got to see some interesting things, and I guess I'm about ready to start doing some stuff that I think more of the guys would enjoy that watch our videos versus Little House on the Prairie cabin. and the zoo was fine too.
Zoo was good. It was a good day.
Yeah. We just love going to the smaller airports and kind of seeing the Americana is what we talk about. That's kind of what we are more interested in, and we just had a good day.
The people are so welcoming and nice. They really are glad that you visited their town. The guy at the airport, he was out on the mower, and we were looking for the keys to the courtesy car, and so there was a number there to call if you needed fuel. So I just called it. He goes, "Oh, I'll be right on in there in just a minute." For you, our good old
Crown Victoria.
Yeah, used to be a police car.
Yeah. Well, it's kind of find it humorous. It's kind of like, what kind of car are we going to get on this trip?
I know. All right, changing the subject, but the sun is right in my eyes.
Yeah, it's
and my sunglasses. What can I say? I don't know what to do about sunglasses. I never buy really good sunglasses because I'm really hard on sunglasses.
Yeah.
I put on them or, drop them or whatever. So it has been less than 6 months. I remember distinctly when I bought this last pair, we ran in Target to get them before we went to California.
Yeah.
And this past week, they broke.
Yeah.
So I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should go invest in a really good pair.
Well, I mean, it's a joke with us because we always buy the cheap sunglasses, and when we were in Hawaii, you kept talking about these $1 sunglasses you bought, and you just wish you'd lose them. And we were on the beach, and the big wave come and knocked sunglasses off of her, and she said, "That's it, we're going to get some new sunglasses." We walked a few hundred yards down the beach. Then on the way back, what happened? The sunglasses kind of rolled back up.
They came rolling back in on the way. We were walking down, and I said, "What is?" It was my glasses.
Yeah. Oh, anyway, and these are just safety glasses. They're just, $5, $6, and I like them because they come around real nice, and they're not polarized, so they don't put funny spots on the screens or anything. And
They work for running too. They're really good for running because they wrap around. They'll kind of keep the wind out of your eyes and stuff. And anyway, I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should just bite the bullet and go get me some good ones or not.
Well, your birthday was last week, and I already bought you a life preserver, so I think the sunglasses.
Oh well.
Yeah. Another thing kind of come to mind. We did what we called, just a kind of a greet and meet to one of our YouTube followers down in Louisiana, and we got quite a bit of good feedback on that. And really, without you guys, we really wouldn't have a channel or any kind of following at all. So I guess I'm going to put another poll. I guess y'all going to get tired of these polls, and just say, hey, would you like for us to do another kind of meet and greet, just to kind of just to showcase one of our followers instead of us, and kind of meet somebody else. We've kind of had a couple of people in mind. Anyway, just let us know, because this is for your enjoyment and entertainment too, so we feel like you got a little skin in the game and got a little opinion you can voice too. So anyway, vote and let us know, and maybe we'll schedule a little showcase of somebody else for a change. Now we're coming up to El Dorado. There's El Dorado Lake out there.
I was just looking at that.
All right, look out here to our right. We got somebody that's about 1,800 feet below us. Oh, he's 2,100 feet below us. He may be going to El Dorado Airport.
Should be right under us. Yeah, I see him.
You got him? Yeah, I see him. He's right off. Yeah, I see him. He's going that way. Okay. Yeah, he's going to El Dorado Airport. Just want to make sure we could spot him. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to kind of swing out so we can go direct in.
That's what I was looking at. Looked like what you're doing.
You're flying right over the refinery.
Sundown traffic, insurance 732 Bravo Sierra, departed runway 36, turning out to the northwest. Sundown traffic.
Engineer traffic, 3 Tango Kilo, left base, touch and go 1 Engineer.
Oh, we're picking up all the way over to Chanute.
I know.
Right airport. Automated weather observation 0028 Zulu. Wind 140 at 08. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 1.
Engineer traffic, 3 Tango Kilo, final touch and go
1 Celsius. Altimeter 2988.
All right, winds are still 140 at 8. Oh, basically a 6 to 7 knot crosswind from the left. See how that looks on our... All right, let's see if she captures 3,600. I'm just going to do a slow couple hundred feet per minute, and we got plenty of time here.
Yeah.
Jabara traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo is 15 to the northeast. We're going to enter ILS 18 straight in for Jabara full stop.
A little further so we get a little bit better angle coming in.
Yeah.
Then I'll switch it to nav mode and then the approach and see if it'll capture everything. Hadn't done a ILS full autopilot before. We've been kind of doing most of them hand flying them. Okay, it's putting our curve in there.
Engineer traffic, 3 Tango Kilo, left base, full stop, Chanute.
Alright, got it in nav mode. That sun's bright, isn't it?
It is.
Alright, we're 5 miles from Hookham. Hookham's, we're going to cross Hookham at 36, and then we can send down to 3,000 to Dyack for the final approach.
Final 18 Chinook.
Alright, approach mode is armed. Let's see how that looks. Looks like we got our air coming in. And let's start slowing it on down here. Alright, we captured 3,600 feet, so that looks good. Alright, let's do our gump check. Get fuel on both. We go ahead and go full rich. Alright, we have approach mode. We are in approach mode. Alright, get our prop pulled in.
Jabara traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo is 12 to the north, inbound on the ILS 18, full stop, Jabara.
It's open. 90 knots, straight and level, right at the bottom of the green. Alright, 1 mile to Hookham. Cow flaps a bit. Okay, we are capturing. Down to 3,000.
That is better. Much.
That sun was getting me. Alright, got the localizer. We're a little bit to the left, of course. Localizer coming in.
Jabara traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo on an 8 mile final, 18 full stop, Jabara.
Alright, glide slope is armed, approach is armed, altimeter is armed. We should be good to go here. Alright, 2 miles from Dyack, 10 degrees, up below 140.
See that plane that's over there too?
What's that?
The plane that's over there. I see it.
Trim in motion.
Jabara traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo on a 6.5 mile final, 18 full stop, Jabara.
You can tell that wind's out of the left. Alright, glide slope coming in. 1.5 dot above. Half mile from Dyack, final approach fix. Should cap the glide slope. It is armed, and it should pop up there when she captures and starts down.
Jabara traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo on a 5 mile final, 18 full stop, Jabara.
Alright, we got 2 red, 2 white.
Counting 5 people in boat traffic right now.
Glide slope, it looks good. Glide slope is armed on the auto, see? And
Yep.
2 white, 2 red. Alright, left crosswind. 20 in. gas undercarriage mixture. Look good.
Jabara, traffic Skylane 80 Papa Echo on a 2-mile final runway 18 full stop, Jabara.
2 white, 2 red. $85 knots. Full flaps. $75 knots, short final, that looks good.
Trim in motion.
2 white, 2 red. The crosswind's picking up.
Think so.
Traffic, Saratoga 110 West Tango is 9 north bound to Parr.
Minimum.
There's minimums.
Jabara traffic, bringing 11 Mike Hotel about 7.5 to the north, looking for the Saratoga.
Jabara, traffic Skylane 80 Papa Echo, short final full stop 18 Jabara.
Eight or 900 feet above me. About your 2 o'clock. All right, are you heading in, straight in for 18? Affirmative. Okay, heading to the side. I'll do a little quick spacing turn up here and follow you. All right, I'll hurry, thanks.
Jabara, traffic Skylane 80 Papa Echo, clear of runway 18 Jabara.
Alright, taxi lights on, landing off, strobes off, as off. There's our line guys waving us in.
Jabara traffic, 91 Mike Hotel, 4 mile final 18 full stop, Jabara.
Good to the right.
There.
And we're good. Thank you, sir. There we go. 15, 17.9.
Jabara traffic. There's a 110 West Tango 2.5 north straight.
Got it.
18.
Please go down.